Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn about the animal cell and its organelles. Now, what is an animal cell? The animal cell is the smallest unit of life, and inside it, different organelles work together to keep it functioning. Let's start with the outermost layer, the cell membrane. The cell membrane is a thin semi-permeable barrier that surrounds the cell. It controls what enters and exits the cell. It is made up of phospholipid bilayer with embedded proteins. These proteins help transport molecules, send signals, and provide structural support. The cell membrane also plays a role in cell communication and protection. Inside the cell membrane, we have cytoplasm, a semi-fluid substance or a gel-like substance that fills the cell. It provides the environment for all organelles to function. It contains water, salts, enzymes and other molecules needed for cellular activities. Most chemical reactions occur here. Next, the nucleus. The nucleus is the control center of the cell. It contains DNA, which carries genetic instructions for growth, reproduction, and cell function. Surrounding the nucleus is the nuclear membrane, which regulates what enters and leaves the cell through small openings called nuclear pores. Inside the nucleus, we find the nucleolus, which produces ribosomes, the organelles responsible for protein synthesis. Next is the endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is a network of membrane-bound tubes and sacs that help in the production and transport of molecules. The rough endoplasmic reticulum has ribosomes attached to its surface and is responsible for protein synthesis. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum does not have ribosome and is involved in production of lipids, detoxification of harmful substances, and storage of calcium ions. Next is the ribosomes. Ribosomes are small round structures that make proteins. They are either attached to the rough endoplasmic reticulum or floating freely in the cytoplasm. Proteins made on the rough endoplasmic reticulum are usually sent outside the cell, while those made in the cytoplasm stays inside the cell. Next is the mitochondria. The mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell. They generate ATP, which is the main energy source for the cell. Mitochondria have a double membrane. The inner membrane is folded into structures called cristae, which increase the surface area for energy production. Mitochondria also contain their own DNA, which allows them to reproduce independently within the cell. Next is Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus is responsible for modifying, sorting, and packaging proteins and lipids. Once proteins and lipids are made in the endoplasmic reticulum, they are sent to the Golgi apparatus, where they are processed and packed into vesicles. These vesicles then transport the materials to their final destination inside or outside the cell. Next is the lysosomes. Lysosomes contain digestive enzymes that breaks down waste, old cell parts, and foreign characters like bacteria. They help in cellular digestion and recycling materials for reuse. If a cell is damaged beyond repair, lysosomes can help in its self-destruction, a process called as autolysis. Centrioles. Centrioles are cylindrical structures made of microtubules. They help in cell division by organizing the spindle fibers that separate chromosomes. Microtubules. Microtubules which help in cell division and transport of material within the cell. That's all for today's class on the animal cell. I hope this explanation helped you understand each organelle clearly. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also drop a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next class. Bye.